Hi. So, welcome back to all of you. We are going to start with our active and passive voice continuation. We studied the two types of tenses in active and passive voice, that was simple present tense and present continuous tense. Today we are going to start with present perfect tense. Let us see what is the present perfect tense formula. I told you what is an active and passive voice. The subject becomes the object and object becomes the subject in the passive voice. So, let us study now how we are going to interchange the present perfect tense into passive voice. Okay. So, present perfect tense. Okay, write down present perfect tense. Now, children, one important thing what I want to tell you is I am not taking this through live class. It's just because so that it is audible for all of you. Many of you have net issues, and at times you are telling me, Miss, I cannot hear. Okay, so it's not the connectivity problem which I am facing. I am having enough and sufficient net. Maybe even if it's a Wi-Fi connection. Okay, maybe even if it's a Wi-Fi connection, maybe at times there are faults with net. Okay, so at times net may be interrupted. Now, if any doubts you have, okay, any doubts you have, not only in active and passive voice, even in active and passive voice you can ask me, but in even any other topics also, please feel free to ask me. Either you make a phone call to me and ask me, or you can ask me in the live class. Okay, clear? Yes. Let's continue. Present perfect tense, the form is object plus has, have plus been, B-E-E-N. That the other one was, in the continuous tense it was being, B-E-I-N-G, and here it is B-double-E-N. Been plus V3 plus by plus subject. Okay. Now, see, example will be, example, I have written a letter. I have written a letter. It will be what? A letter has been. See, I is plural. I told you I, you, they, we is plural. A letter is singular. So, it will be a letter has been written. A letter has been written by, I will become what? Me. Yes, by me. A letter has been written by me. Now, what I will do is, I will write 5 sentences on the board, and you can copy this down. I will write 5 sentences on the board. You can copy it down, and then first copy it down, then pause the video, and then write down the answers. Okay. Okay. First one, they have read a story. First sentence, they have read a story. After leaving 2 or 3 lines, 2 lines will be okay, I think. After leaving 2 lines, take down the next sentence, the second one. Okay. She has given a present. She has given a present. She has given a present. Third one, We have won the match. We have won. W-O-N. We have won the match. Fourth one. My brother has taken this photograph. My brother has taken this photograph. Leave lines. Copy the fifth one. I have answered all the questions. Have answered all the questions. So take this down. Now what you need to do is pause the video now, and then after writing down the answers on the video and see the correct, check whether your answers are correct. Okay, now see, the answer will be a story. They have read a story. A story has has been read by them. A story has been read by them. Okay, next one, she has given a present. A present has been given by her. A present has been given by her. Okay, we have won the match. The match has been won by us. The match has been won by us. The match has been won by us. My brother has taken this photograph. This photograph has been now have and has, you will use it. Has when the subject is plural, have when the subject is has when the subject is singular, and have when the subject is plural. This photograph has been taken by my brother. Okay, I have answered all the questions. All the questions have been answered by me. Okay, got it? So this is the perfect tense. Now next we move to the past tense. So those three tenses of perfect tense is over. Now next we move to the past tense. the simple past tense passive voice. Simple past tense. So let's see what we are going, how we are going to deal with the simple past tense. Now see, for the simple past tense, the form is object plus was or were plus V3 plus by plus subject. Now, what I told you, object plus was or were. Was for singular subject, were for plural subjects. V3 form is the past participle form of the verb. V3 form is the past participle form of the verb by plus subject. Let's take an example and see how we are going to solve it. Okay. Now see, this active and passive voice is very important from the examination point of view. Not only from the examination point of view, from the 5th grade till the 12th grade. You will have at least 5 mark questions for the final exam based on active and passive voice. And not only that, even for your PSC exams or even when you are writing your GK tests, okay, you will have this active and passive voice. So, it's very important, children, for you to understand it properly and then study. Okay. Now, example is C. I saw a film. I saw a film. And then it will be what? A film was seen by me. A film was seen by me. Now, next one. I will give you 5 sentences again or 4 sentences. You write down the answers. First sentence. They gave me a present. They gave me a present. Present. They gave me a present. Second one, she made a cake. She made a cake. She made a cake. Third one, the teacher told a story. The teacher told a story. The teacher told a story. Fourth one, Rahul wrote a letter. Rahul wrote okay, don't write Rahul wrote a letter, write Rahul wrote many letters. So, copy this down, pause the video and then next I will write the answers. Okay, they gave me a present. That will become what? A present was given by them. A present was given by them. Next one, she made a cake. It will become what? A cake. A cake was made by her. A cake was made by her. A cake was made by her. The teacher told a story. A story was told by the teacher. A story was told. A story was told by the teacher. Rahul wrote many letters. Many letters were written, not was, were. Many letters were written by Rahul. Okay. Did you all understand? Did you all get it? Okay. So, we completed the simple past tense. Next, we move to the past continuous tense. Let us see what is a past continuous tense. Let us see the past continuous tense. So, write down past continuous tense. Write down. Okay. Past continuous tense form is object plus was or were. See, whenever it is the continuous tense, it is the ing form, then it will be being, B-E-I-N-G. But if it is the EEN form, then it is a perfect tense. Okay, so object plus was or were plus being, B-E-I-N-G, plus V3 plus by plus subject. Got it? So, this is the formula for the past continuous tense. Take down the example. Example is she was writing a letter. She was writing a letter. So, it will be a letter was being written, a letter was being, B-E-I-G, okay, be careful with this, being, a letter was being written by her. Do you all understand? Very easy. Only thing you need to know the formulas, you need to understand whether it is this form. For that you need to know your tenses, that chapter you need to know it well, to understand which tense it is, which tense of the verb it is, whether it is the present continuous tense, whether it is the past continuous tense or it is the future continuous tense. So, you need to know that forms correctly, then only you will be able to transfer it, means convert it into the passive voice. So, tenses chapter you need to understand it well. Without understanding that tense chapter, you cannot do this active and passive voice. So, let us see how it was. She was writing a letter was being written by her. Okay. Now, if it is she was writing many letters, okay, or she was writing letters, S is there, plural, many letters is there, then many letters was will become what? Were, W-E-R-E, because the subject is plural. Yes, did you understand? Now, next take down 4 examples and then take down 4 examples. Yes. Take down the example. They were playing football. First one. They were playing football. Second one. I was doing homework. I was doing homework. Next one, they were making a crib. They were making a crib. Fourth one, he was driving a car. He was driving a car. Okay. So, they were playing football. I was doing homework. They were making a crib. He was driving a car. Convert. Pause the video and after that write down these answers. Check whether your answers are correct. Okay. Football was being played by them. Football, see, were became was because it is singular. Football was being played by them. I was doing my homework. So, it become what? Homework was being done by me. Homework was being done by me. Next one, they were making a crib. A crib was or were? Yes, was. A crib was being made by them. A crib was being made by them. He was driving a car. A car was being driven. A car was being driven by them. A car was being driven by them. Okay, so this is the correct answers. A car was being driven by them. So that we complete with the past continuous tense. Next, we move to the past perfect tense. Let us see what is the past perfect tense. Past perfect tense. Okay, let's see what's the past perfect tense. It is object, form is object plus had plus been, B-E-E-N, okay, had plus been plus V3 plus by plus subject. Okay, let us take down one example. Example will be, he had eaten a mango. He had eaten a mango. Okay, a mango, how you will be writing it? A mango, yes, a mango had been, see the formula, a mango had been eaten by him. A mango had been eaten by him. Clear? Is that clear? Okay. Take down 4 examples. After writing these 4 sentences, why I am asking you to pause the video is for you to do that. You have to do it, and then after that you have to on the video and check whether whether your answer is correct. Okay. So take down 4 sentences quickly. They had read a story. They had read a story. Second one, I had bought a pen. I had bought a pen. Third one, we had finished the work. Third one, we had finished the work. We had finished the work. Fourth one, they had bought a new car. They had bought a new car. They had bought a new car. Now what you have to do is pause the video, write down the answers and check whether your answers are correct. Okay, so I write down these answers. The first answer will be, they had read a story. What will be? A story, see object. Okay, a story had been a story had been read by them. Yes, a story had been read by them. I had bought a pen will become a pen. A pen had been bought. A pen had been bought by. I will become what? I will become me. A pen had been bought by me. We had finished the work will become the work had been finished by us. The work had been finished by us. We will become us. They had bought a new car will become a new car had been. A new car had been bought by them. A new car had been bought by them.